Today we're going to be making a melodic trap instrumental, something along the lines of a Lil Mosey or NBA Youngboy type beat. Lil Mosey being the 16-year-old rap artist from Seattle, Washington, best known for his single Pull Up, and NBA Youngboy being the 18-year-old rapper from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, best known for his single Outside Today, which peaked at number 31 on the Billboard Hot 100. I do plan on making videos dedicated specifically to these two artists in the future, but I've been so busy this week that I haven't had the time to sit down to thoroughly study and analyze any specific artists, so I'm just covering a more general topic today. The most important aspect of a melodic trap beat is the melody, of course. So we're going to start off with that. I'll be using this piano from the Contact library. I'm going to work in the scale of F minor. I already have somewhat of an idea of the chord progression that I want to create in my head. As always, I'll speed up the footage here to save you from having to wait around for 10 to 20 minutes while I make a melody. Notice the grace notes here. These are important in melodic beats because they add a human element. I just place them anywhere within the scale right before the main note of a melody plays, and then I lower the velocity of it so it's a bit subtle. Okay, here's what I came up with. The chord progression is 1-5-4-5. That's F minor, C minor, B major, and C minor. Here's what it sounds like. I'm using these strings and just playing the bottom notes of the chord progression. I'm using this patch from Omnisphere as a layer to further accent the chords. I added this clap. I made this kick pattern. I laid down some hats. And I added a perk. You'll probably notice that this drum pattern is more repetitive than usual. I did that on purpose because I want the piano melody to be the main focus of this beat. Here's what the drums sound like all together. Now it's time for some lyrics. Being that this is just a general video, I'll be freestyling some random stuff over it. I'll be mixing and mastering the beat and my vocals with the same techniques used in past videos. I'll leave a link to those videos in the description section of this video. I'll also be applying the pitcher plugin to my vocals. This is to help keep my vocals in key with the beat. I'm using a medium retune speed so it's somewhat subtle. This beat is really different from what I'd usually prefer to rap over. So I'm not expecting my vocals to turn out all that well, but it's not like I can break tradition now and not drop some bars over this thing. So here it goes. Let's see what we've come up with. Made my mama proud, showed her what it's all about. Homies afraid if I ride that wave, I might get watered down. I'm in this game for good, that ain't for me, that's for my neighborhood. Set your sight higher and try to change your look, but I don't think they know my pain. Put that pen to paper, but sometimes it's hard to explain. I'm feeling stressed out, yeah, I'm feeling stressed out.